this is how to make a successful orbital flight in Spaceflight Simulator. So first of all, what you want to do is get your map out. You see these two satellite or rockets. This is how they orbit. They stay in that position forever. So first of all, what you want to do, get your rocket, turn it to throttle to 100 descent, and hit the ignition button, which is space on the map. So as you see, the rocket has lifted off pretty nicely. So what you always want to do first is check on the map. If you see this little triangle here, that means that is your rocket. The white line that is going straight for now is your thing, how much you can go up. If you just cut your fuel off, gravity will increase on you. So if you see that spaceship on your right, the compass tells you how you need to go. You want to stay right at all times. So every, I think, 1,000 to 2,000 meters you turn at an angle of 15, I think. And when you're out of liquid fuel, go back out with the map, separate stuff, and you're on again. Once you've reached the Kármán line, if you don't see this little triangle there, that means you have not separated your rocket, and you will descend quickly into oblivion. As you know, this is very peaceful, but you want to stay like this at all times. It's very fun, isn't it? As you see, the rocket is descending a bit, but not by a lot. That is not a good thing. We want to tilt upwards. All this is doing is, if you see this white line, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. You want to accept your acceleration to be very big. And if you see that, if it connects up, you are reach into. If it says reach low Earth orbit, that means you are in your orbit, which means you have successfully done your orbits. So if you want to see your map thing, build a new rocket. Continue your build, especially if you need to use it. Go 100%. Boom. Put it on. Use the separator. Put that one on. Your rocket will eventually blast up into oblivion. After you've done that, and it's crashed into the surface of the Earth, not successfully, head over to the map. After you've done that, you want to look on the one that's nearest. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.